So this video will be more of just a check. So when you run it, make sure that yours is doing this. So if I choose spot 1, 2, you notice my display is back to dash and it says requesting food from slot 12. If I do 3, 2, requesting from slot 32. If I do 3, 3, 33. So my slots are working. What I want you to go ahead and do, just for practice, go ahead and set this up so there's another panel similar to this, but we'll show our current dollar amount. So every time we change our coin slot, it should be updating that. And that will include even when you make a purchase. So go ahead and get that working. And then we'll start looking at kind of building the food slot. And then we'll go from there. Once we get the food slot built, we'll definitely have to look at all these components and try to figure out how they all talk to them, come up with like a scenario. And based on the scenario, who's calling what at what time. Because there's different conditions. So if I make the request, I'm not necessarily going to get dispensed the food. There's a couple of things that can happen. Either I don't have enough money or there's no food in that spot. So if we have a mean vending machine, basically the vending machine will take our money and then give us nothing from an empty spot. If we have a nice vending machine, it'll detect that there's nothing in that spot and it won't charge us for giving us nothing. So we're going to make a nice vending machine. But for right now, go ahead and get the display working for your money.